Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Shopmas. I hope you can see, I like the glow in the room right now. We'll try to brighten it up a little bit, but today we have a really fun video where we come up with stockings from our stockpile. And this is a little bit of a collab video with Coupon Wins with Linz and Couponing with Kim. I thought this was a neat little spin on coming up with gift ideas from your stockpile that isn't the typical video. So I definitely love all the ideas that everyone puts out with their gift baskets and things like that. I really do love them. I've done those videos before and I really like them, but I kind of like the spin on it too because a lot of us stuff stockings this year or every year, and so I thought this would be a fun video. So for the stockings that I come up with were one men's stocking and one women's stocking. Now if you're the type of couponer that gets a lot of toys on clearance and things like that, then you could definitely do a kid stocking as well, but I'm not good at that type of thing. What I have here is what I'm good at getting in my stockpile, if you know what I mean. I really try to find those clearance deals in stores for toys and things like that, and I never find them around here. That's okay. So we can start with the women's stocking, which was most fun for me because I think that getting things like skincare and makeup and candles and stuff like that is super fun to get. So anyways, what I did, as you could see in the little bit in the beginning of the video, that I put a little bit on the outside of the stocking. I did for the women's, not the men's, but it's something that my mom used to do growing up, and she would tell me that Santa couldn't quite fit everything in the stocking, and so he just left a little on the outside for you too. So I've always done that with stockings, and I think it's cute. So on the outside of the stocking, I have a candle from Bath and Body Works. It is a Merry Cookie, and this is my absolute favorite from any other candles that they have. Then another thing that I thought would be nice to give is the Garnier Green Labs serum here. This serum here is it's a cream, it's a serum, and it's a sunscreen, and it's fragrance free. So I use the one that has fragrance in it, and I really, really like it. So I definitely would give this as a gift, put it in a stocking, that kind of thing. So I would definitely do that. And here is the stocking. Not a super big stocking, but if you needed a little bit more room, you could always roll these little sides up to give you a little bit more room. I just didn't do that because it doesn't look very pretty for the video. But anyways, this is everything that I have. So I also have this CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizer. This stuff is incredible. I use this every single night, but yeah, it's very versatile for lots of different skin types. So this would be a good thing to put in something like a stocking or a gift basket. So the next thing I put in the stocking are these right here. These are the Hydro Silk Touch-Up little razors. You can use them on your face, your eyebrows, wherever you want. These are really, really nice. I've gotten several packs of those, and it's like, I thought those would be really good because they're made by a razor company, and they're the best ones I've used so far. Then we've got some cotton rounds by Beauty 360. These are really the only ones that I've ever been able to coupon for. Sorry if that's not focusing for you. But these are the only ones I've really been able to coupon for, that and Sky Organics. So the next thing that I grabbed from my stockpile was some lotion. I picked up the Dove Nourishing Cream Oil Lotion. I do believe that this is in the older packaging, and there's some newer packaging, but this was the one that was in front of all of them, so I grabbed that one. Then the next thing I grabbed is just like my all-time favorite thing, is the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I love this stuff. So like I said with the night cream, this stuff is very versatile. It's for normal to dry skin, so it's definitely something that a lot of people can use. And yeah, it's something that definitely will make you feel fresh and clean when you wash your face. So the next thing I grabbed was something for your hair, but I didn't want to do the typical body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, only because I didn't know how it would be if, you know, stuff gets pushed together, stuff falls over, the top comes up and soap goes all over your stocking stuffers. So I just grabbed some Breakage Remedy Leave-In Treatment by Dove. I thought this would be nice to put in there. I hope you can see that. It's having a hard time focusing. So anyways, this is something that's really, really nice that you can also put in there. I got that at Target. Then the next thing we have is some makeup. I liked to go with, like if I was going to give this stuff to my mom in a stocking for my dad. I do my dad's shopping for Christmas and I get the stocking stuffers. I know the type of colors that I've picked out here is something that would fit well with her. It fits well with me. So that's just what I went with. So the first makeup item that I have is the e.l.f. CC Cream. I got this like half off when a Walgreens was closing a few months back. So it's not something that you can typically coupon for, but if you can save money on it and it's in your stockpile that you used your skills to get, then I think it counts. So I got the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This stuff is insanely good. This stuff is really, really nice. I love it. So that is definitely something that I would put in a stocking for a lady. Next, we've got some eye products because we've got to, for our eyes. So the one thing that I'm going to put in there is the Revlon So Fierce Eyeshadow Quad. This thing is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So the next thing I have is a little palette. It's the CoverGirl True Naked palette in the color Roses. I got this not that long ago at CVS, and I think it is just a really nice, stunning little palette that has like rose gold colors and it has neutral colors, and I think it is just really beautiful. And if you have any type of a pink undertone in your skin, this would be beautiful on you as well. I don't think it would if you had more of a warm tone skin on you, you know what I mean? But yeah, I got that at CVS not that long ago. It was one of those things where I had my eye on it, and we do CoverGirl deals almost weekly, and we typically get the cheaper items, and I'm like, this week I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna get one of these nicer things that I've really had my eye on. So there, I did that. So the next thing I have is something called the Hello Halo Wet n Wild Blush Lighter. So I know it sounds kind of funny, but it is an illuminating blush on one side and a highlighter on another, and you can take a brush and you can swirl it together, or you can use them on their own, and they're beautiful. I like illuminating things because my skin is more dry, so matte things don't look the best on me. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but I tend to go towards the more illuminating items. So I got this at CVS a while ago with a deal, and these aren't expensive at all. If you were to just get it by itself, they're like $5. So this is really, really nice. Sorry for the glare. So that is another thing. That is definitely, I think they only have like 2 colors for those, and it's like one for lighter skin and one for darker skin, and that's basically it. So it's a pretty versatile product as well. Then I got some Bambi Oversized Eye mascara in the color Intense Black. So there is this one right here. It actually has Bambi on it. This is another version of the Bambi eyes. It's supposed to be more extreme, I guess. I'm not sure, but I wanted to throw in a black mascara. Then we got some nail polish, and this nail polish is by Paparazzi, of course, but I actually just got these, and these are really pretty nude neutral colors. So I got 2 of those to put in there, and then I also got a matte top coat because it's popular. Matte nails are very popular. So here are the 2 colors that I got. Very pretty colors, and then a matte top coat as well that I got a little while ago. And these 2 colors are called Almond Latte and the Perfect Gray, and I really, really like these. So. And if you watch my CVS videos, you know that we've been getting tons of free nail polish from Paparazzi. But that matte top coat is one where it was like, it wasn't the 2 for $5, get 5 back. It was one of the more expensive ones. Then I just got a couple more things, maybe 3 more things. And the next thing I got is the Carmex Minis, the lip balm. I think lip balm is perfect in any stocking, men or women, although I probably wouldn't put this one in a men's just because, ooh, the cool mint one, I bet you that's good. But I got this at Walgreens. I have a few of these, and this was a really good deal. Next, we have some lipstick. Now, this is the Physicians Formula. You probably won't be able to see this very well, but I'll try to get it up there for you to see pretty good. But anyways, this is a, I cannot say the name, but it is a very nice color, and it's not as dark as it looks. So it's really nice, and I thought it would be a nice little addition because we got just about a full face of makeup in there. And then we got one more thing because we've got makeup. We need wipes. Wipes are perfect to put in any stocking. These are the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil wipes, but I have tons of different type of wipes in my stockpile. I've got Neutrogena, I've got CeraVe, which are mine. I've got Cetaphil, I've got Garnier, I've got Almay. I've got a lot of different wipes in my stockpile, but this is just the one that I grabbed. And that is all I have for a woman's stocking. I think, yeah, I think that's a pretty good amount for, I've had this thing chocked full. When I was asked to do this video, I knew I would be able to come up rather quickly. Stuff for a lady to put in a stocking, or even a teenage girl, or an adult daughter, you know what I mean? But I knew that it would be a challenge for men, and maybe it's not for others, but it definitely is for me, just from my stockpile. Now, I can go to the store or a store and I can get lots of different things to put in a man's stocking, but to just get it from my stockpile was an interesting challenge. So I do have a few things in the men's stocking that might help you out if you wanted to put some things in a man's stocking from your stockpile. So the first thing I want to grab is the thing that's not the one thing that's sticking out. I don't think you could see it, and that is bar soap. Now, these you can get at the Dollar Tree singly like this. I just got these from a pack of soap that has like 6 of them in it. But soap bars, single bars of soap, are a really good item to put in a stocking. The next thing I have is a Harry's razor. I know some men are very, very particular on their razors, and that's totally fine. I know some men really like Harry's razors, so I thought I would put that in the stocking. But I have lots of razors that I could put in there. I've got the King C Gillette. I've got other nice Gillette razors. I've got some Schick razors, but I thought Harry's would be a nice one to put in there because we don't get a lot of deals on these. So there is that. Then the next thing I have is some shaving cream. Of course, shaving cream would be a good addition with a razor, and it takes up a good amount of room. When I think of a man's stocking though, I think of things like playing cards, candy. So it was, like I said, it was difficult for me, but I think I got some okay things in here. So then the next thing I have is the Nautica Oceans. You could put something like this in here, or like some Axe spray, or, you know, spray deodorant, something like that. I've been getting this at Walmart and Walgreens, and I think this smells really, really nice, so I wanted to put that in the stocking because it's just a cologne spray. It's not a deodorant, kind of, you know what I mean? So yeah, I thought that would be a good addition. Now, this is another addition, and yeah, it's another addition, and it is the Poopery, and the Poopery is the Royal Flush scent. I don't know what scent that is, but this stuff is amazing, and I hope, you know, if I were to ever put this in a guy's stocking, that they wouldn't take offense to it, you know what I mean, because they might take offense to it, I don't know, but this is also a good addition, and I couponed for this. One of them I couponed for at CVS. These are the ones that we've been getting, or that we got recently at Walmart. So this was a nice find. And it could be a gag gift. It could just be, you know, something funny. The next thing I put in there was some Old Spice deodorant. If you have a stockpile and you know you have a favorite deodorant of your husband or your boyfriend or partner or whatever, if you have one of their favorites in your stockpile, put it in their stocking. So I grabbed some Old Spice. This is definitely my boyfriend's favorite, and so that would definitely be something that I would put in his stockpile or in his stocking. And then the last thing I put in there is the Nivea Cooling Post Shave Balm. This stuff right here, I've heard very good things about it. I've also heard of women using it before they put on their makeup as like a primer. So those were all things that I got from my stockpile. So that is everything for the man's stocking. So yeah, I really enjoyed putting together the stockings and trying to think outside the box. I don't know. Maybe skincare and makeup isn't outside of my box, but it's a good box, I think. So anyways, I'm just a silly bird. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope there was some helpful tips in there for you. Let me know what kind of stocking you like to put together for your significant other or for your kids or for any type of family members. I'd love to discuss it with you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Also, don't forget to check out Couponing with Kim and Coupon Wins with Lynn's videos down below as well. So have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. So then the next thing I picked up or grabbed out of, I didn't pick it up. Remember, Sarah, this is from your stockpile. And so the next thing I picked up was